This is the URCERI Lux meter with independent sensor. Let's take it out of the box. In the box we find the instruction manual, a nice case to store everything in. They give you the meter itself right here. This is the independent sensor. It just has a cord that plugs in right there. And this is it. You can see how it has a cover on it, which is tethered. And I'll show you more about that in just a moment. And also a 9-volt battery is included with the unit, which is of course what it runs on. So I'll put the battery in, hook the sensor up, and give it a test. Okay, here's the unit here. The display is backlit. There's a backlight button there that you just press and hold for a couple seconds and the backlight will come on. And right now it's reading 0, and that is simply because the cover is still on the sensor. So we'll go ahead and take that off. And there is the sensor itself right there. And you can see we're reading about 270 something or so lux. Now let's discuss what's a lux. A lux is a measurement of light. And basically what it means is it's the light falling over a given area. Okay, so 1,000 lumens, which is generally what light bulbs are rated at, over 1 square meter is 1,000 lux. That doesn't mean anything to most people, so I'll put it very bluntly. The higher the number, the more light you have. It's that simple. The display itself, I'll turn the backlight back on. It goes off after a period of time to save battery power. You can see if I shade it a bit, how it goes down. And if you look above the numbers, that's an analog scale, kind of like the old meters with the needle like that, and it'll go up and down like that. Now you also have different settings here. You can set the units. Right now you'll see it's set to lux, but we can change that to FC for foot candle, and you can look that up to see what that actually means. I'm going to switch it back to lux. I'll put the light back on, and you can also do the maximum and the minimum. So right now the max it is read is 286.8. I'm going to get a light and shine it on it so you can see how that's going to change. So right now it says the maximum is 271.8. If I turn this light on over here, you'll see that'll go up. And now it's reading 2074. I'll bring it even a little closer. And the scale has actually changed. You can now see over in the corner right there, it says 40K. And this will measure up to 400,000 lux. So I'm going to turn that off. We'll go back over here and put the backlight on. Just for the video purposes, it's perfectly readable otherwise. Pressing the min-max button, the minimum it read was 115.1. And we'll press again, and now we're back to basically the live feed. I'll put the light on. You can see how that just goes up. I'll bring it a lot closer, and how the meter changes its scale automatically like that. The sensor on a wire, as you see it right here, is really nice. This cord extends up to 8 feet. And what's really nice is on the back is a standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. So you can mount this in the area where maybe somebody might be standing for photography if you're going to take their picture, and that way using that you can get a good idea of what the light would be right there ahead of time before they actually go and stand there. When you're done, you just go ahead and put the cap back on to keep everything nice and clean and prevent it from getting dirty. And of course it's back to 0. Press and hold the power button until it turns off, and that's it. So as we've seen throughout the video, it has an automatic turn off for the backlight. It also has automatic power off of the entire unit after 15 minutes to save the battery. And the accuracy of it is plus or minus 3%. So it's quite accurate, and you can see how it measured the light pretty much in real time, very quickly like that. It had many samples per second to give you a very accurate reading. All around, very nice. Packs right up in the case they give you, which is a really nice touch. A great lux meter from URCERI. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.